Guys, what's going on? I think it's working now. Are we live? Guys. What's going on, dude? This is the soonest... I don't know why it keeps cutting out. It's actually getting, like, really annoying. I have no idea. I'm literally talking, and then it just stops. And I didn't even stream to Twitch and Kick because I thought that was the reason. And then it literally just stopped right here, just on YouTube. I have no idea, guys. I am very sorry. It's getting actually really annoying. So, I don't know why it keeps doing that. I have good Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's because of Streamlabs or what. I don't know. I have no idea, guys. Yeah, good morning, everybody. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it doesn't keep doing that. But if it does cut out, guys, I'll go live again right after. But I have no idea why it's doing that. Yeah, it's the market makers, guys. Double M's are after us. Nothing else is going on, bro. Yeah, something's fishy is going on here, guys. I don't know. Seems kind of sus. Seems very suspicious. I don't know. Good morning, everybody. Nice job, Alicia. Good job. 1K, 5 accounts? Hey, that's so dub. That's a dub. Well, we just had a massive pump, then just a massive dump. I don't know. What the heck? That's 100 points. What the heck? There you go, 444. Yeah, live to fight another day. I love that. Good job, man. Way to end a losing streak, man. Great job, man. Great job. Yeah, see, 444, you're learning from your mistakes, man. Good job, man. Dude, hopefully this doesn't happen, guys. Because I'm literally talking. And then it just cuts out. And then I see it buffering. I'm like, oh boy. Here we go again. Here we go again, guys. Here we go again.
Officer Pendlebury's down.
See you around like a donut, Carl.
GTA San Andreas, guys. Here we go again. But as I was saying on the previous stream, we're only down $300. That's literally nothing. That's 15 points. Yeah, that's literally 15 points. What's up, internet? What's up, brother? Yeah, 444. Then you realize, yeah, revenge trading doesn't make sense. And like going on tilt. I'm still working on that. Every now and again I'll go on tilt and I'm like, then I kind of like realize it's happening. Like yesterday, I think after stream I was getting pretty tilted. And then I was like, alright, Casey, just walk away. And I literally walked away and it felt good. So it's just recognizing it, like, when it's happening and you start feeling that, like, that motion, you're like, alright, I'm getting pretty annoyed right now. I'm getting tired. Maybe I shouldn't be trading. And then you're like, alright, we're done. Welcome back, we're back. Market makers cannot stop our stream, guys. We're gonna do whatever it takes to keep it going. I don't care what it takes. Nice, internet. The 19th, let's go. 2 weeks, man. That's 2 weeks from today. That'll be fun, man. Very excited for you. I know what you're not excited about is that 3, 4 a.m. wake-up time. Oh, man. You're going to get a lot of jet lag. You got to get used to that. Oh, man. 4 a.m. wake-up time. Woo-wee. Oh, man. A.m. a.m. wake up time. Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, what's going on? That was just like a weird dump. Dude, it looks kind of tricky today, honestly. Like, I don't think we keep going long, honestly, and then it just did a massive dump. Yeah, did you see that beyond limits? Thought I was tripping. So weird. It's a little tricky today, guys. So we gotta proceed with caution here. Proceed with caution. Yeah, acting a little funny here. Yeah, like, I would really think we'd keep going long. Like, a big candle, breaking levels up, looking for a push up to the highs of the day. Look, boom, false breakout, 100-point dump. Like, what? So random. Yeah, it's probably with all the war news and everything. I think gas prices are going up too, which is not good. Dude, a Honda Fit now, guys, is costing like $40, $45 for a full tank now. Crazy. Used to be like 35, max 40, but the other day when I filled it up, it was 45. Oh man, what's going on? We gotta start taking some withdrawals, guys. We gotta start getting some payouts. Oh, but I went to Costco yesterday, and it was actually the cheapest Costco run we've ever done. It was $225. Which is still a lot, but for Costco, for me, I'm minimum spending like $300, $350. I think it's because we didn't buy steak this time, because the meat adds up real quick. Yeah, we didn't buy steak this time, so I think that's pretty much why. Yeah, $45 full tank now. Honda Fit, even the Honda Fit is getting a little pricey. Now that's still cheap for a full tank here in California, because like most SUVs, trucks, people are spending like $60, $80 for a full tank. Yeah, it's crazy. $80 for a full tank. And that's not even premium. That's like the cheap stuff. Yeah, I put the cheap stuff in the Honda Fit because you don't need the expensive stuff in that beater car. You think I'm putting premium gas in the Honda Fit? $20 is so cheap. What? $20 full tank? Dude, that's so cheap. I know gas is way cheaper on the East Coast, yeah. Because I think when I went to Virginia, it was like $2.50, $3 a gallon. But that was like over 2 years, 3 years ago, 4 years. $50 full tank, yeah. That's not too bad. That's about like the average here. Yeah, because like SUVs, trucks, $60, $80 easily. Full tank. Yeah, triple four is that SoCal prices, the California gas prices. California gas prices are expensive. Yeah, I like living here. The only thing is it's so expensive. Like, especially the housing. Like, a house now in the Bay Area, minimum like $1 million. For a tiny house. Crazy. $1 million, guys, for a house. $1 million. It's crazy work. Yeah, you guys want to get some sunshine? You gotta pay the tax. Gotta get the tax on that. Yeah, $80 for a truck, Silverado. Chevys are good trucks. Yeah, middle. I see like videos of like $300,000 to $400,000 houses in Texas, and then like giant properties with like a swimming pool. I'm like, dude, that house in California would be like, well, depending on when you are, like $1.5 million, maybe $2 million. Crazy. Yeah, you get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-story house for $1 million, and that's a cheap one in the Bay Area. Can you believe that? Outside, like 3-4 hours away, you can find good houses for like $500,000-$600,000. But then again, it's kind of like some of them are in the middle of nowhere. And you're like, do you really want to live in the middle of nowhere? I don't know. It depends on you. Yeah. Trip for in the middle of the hood, yeah. Yeah, you're in the hood too. Good morning, Adita. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Cali is expensive. Yeah, the only thing with Texas is I'm worried about like the hurricanes and stuff. And then it's like, yeah, it would be nice to get property there, but then I'm like, I have no family or I don't know anyone there. So I'm like, I don't know. And I'm like, is it worth it? I like it here in Cali. Yeah, there's ups and downs with every area. What's up, Vivian? How you doing? I'm doing good. How y'all doing? San Diego, yeah. Let's go, internet. Great job, man. Yeah, Tommy, I like it here too. The only thing is, like, yeah, it's really expensive. Other than that, it's pretty straight. Tommy, you bought a house? How old are you, man? That's good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm like, the other states are nice and they're cheap and you can get a lot of land and property, but then I'm like, I literally don't know anyone out there. And I'm like, I don't know. My dad lives on the East Coast. And he had the same thing, like, he lives near his friend, but then he's like, none of the family's out there. So, and I haven't seen him in like 2 years. Unfortunately. Gotta make a trip out there. No problem. What's up, Joshua? Let's go, Vivian. Great job. Trade day for the win. $2,400 payout. Let's go. Great job, Tommy. I love to hear that, man. That's a dream right there. Yeah, you and your wife, house. Beautiful, man. Love that, Tommy. Great job. Yeah, that's what people are saying is the property tax is really high. Well, DFW is like Texas, yeah. What's up, Isaac? What's up, everyone? Good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are. We got people watching around in other countries. No problem, Tommy. RB Trades, that's a dream, man. That's like my dream is, yeah, have a nice property. Like, my dream is to, yeah, have a nice property, like, kind of like in the countryside, but like also like close to the cities, you know, like an hour away. Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, you know what I'm saying? Like an hour away, so you can still go to the cities and go out and stuff whenever you want to. But then, like, you live on a nice property with, like, a farm, kind of. I kind of like that farm lifestyle. Have, like, a couple chickens, like 2 chickens, pond, maybe a goat. Definitely some cats. We got cats. Maybe a dog. What is this, a damn farm? Casinator Farms? That's the South Park, yeah. Should he walk? Let me get some sushi, brother. Couple chickens, Dabda. Couple chickens. Yeah, couple chickens. Get some fresh farm-raised eggs in the morning. Do you guys know eggs boost your testosterone levels? Every time I eat eggs, I'm like, arr, arr, arr. Yeah, Joshua, that's the thing, man. Yeah, have a nice pond, catch and release, grow your own fish. That's a dream. Casinator Farms. Yeah, you have 100 dogs on the ranch. Dude, that's why I created a fishing channel, Casinator Outdoors. Guys, I have a fishing channel. I haven't posted it on there in like 3 months. 4 months. I got a post on there. Casinator Outdoors, guys. It's linked in my description. It's like a fishing channel. So it's like if we do create a farm, hey, that'll be on it. Casinator Outdoors. Yeah, 444, that's the dream, man, honestly. That's the real dream. Yeah, see, guys, we're trying to make our dreams become a reality, man. Yeah, dude, everything Casinator. My shoe business was Casinator. Casinator, Casinator Lifts, Casinator Fitness, Casinator Chef, Chef Casinator. Dude, just anything with Casinator. Yeah. Casinator. Yeah, let's do that. Straight testosterone right there. Just straight orange juice and eggs. You're like, your prefrontal cortex is also at an all-time high. We could maybe, right now it did form like this bottom area. It hasn't broke this previous low. It's kind of like bouncing right here. But it feels sketchy buying right here. Yeah, anything Casinator. That's literally why I did Casinator Trades. Casinator Trades. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, yeah? Casinator Whips. We just do like car reviews. Car reviews and like drives. Late night POV driving the city in a murdered out AMG GT 63 RS. Yeah. Dude, RB Trades, that's straight, man. That's great. Especially from the Netherlands, because I think in those Europe countries, they don't add like any like preservatives and like all that stuff in the food. So you're eating like straight fresh food, RB Trades. Good job. Maybe stab long. Maybe. Right, well, right now, yeah, it hasn't broke this previous low right here. It hasn't done it yet. That's the keyword, yet. But it feels weird buying right there. I feel like I'm going to get stopped out instantly. I feel like as soon as I take a long right here, it's going to break the low and stop me out. I just have a feeling. Peace out, 444, man. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Good luck. Have a great day, man. Dude, guys, it's bouncing right here. It's low-key working. Low-key. Casinator eats. Yeah, we'll do like mukbangs. Food reviews. Chef. We'll do some cooking. Anything with food. Bro, I'll gain so much weight. Oh my gosh. Maybe, Kari. I mean, yeah, guys, it kind of just bounced right there again. Alright, as soon as it comes down and we enter a long, watch, it's going to break. But hey, is it worth the risk? Maybe, yeah. 46, have like a 20-point stop. That's a big gap to the upside. Huh. You gotta send it. Just rip it. Beyond limits, you're right. You are right, man. You're actually right. Guys, yeah, we've noticed my first trade always gets stop hunt, hits the stop loss, then runs in my favor. We need to enter where our stop loss would be. Great thinking. 10 eggs for 3 euros is cheap. Wait, is it? Yeah, that's cheap, yeah. Because 18 eggs here at Costco yesterday was $7.50 for 18 eggs. I think it was 18. Yeah, I think it was 18. I bought 3 cartons of eggs, so 36, 54 eggs. See, look how fast it's moving. I don't like how it does that. You see how fast it's going right there? That's the only thing I don't like. I don't like entering a trade when it's doing that. Look how fast it's moving. Enter the trade right where the stop loss would be. Enter the trade where the stop loss would be. Yeah, this is moving really quick right here. I didn't like that. 60 eggs for $10? Dude, that's so cheap. Oh my gosh. And I bet they're like good eggs too. 60 eggs? Yeah, 18 eggs here in California at Costco yesterday, and Costco's cheaper, was $7.50 for a carton of 18. Crazy. Oh my gosh, look. Look, we would have got stopped out. It's so sketchy buying here, though, honestly. I feel so sketch about taking a buy right there. But watch, it's going to work out. I don't know. It's just moving so quick. Yeah, we would enter a long right here. Boom, stopped out. Running in our favor. They were anticipating us to take that trade. You're right, yeah. Wow. Dude, it's so sketch taking a long right there. Nah. No. I don't know. It feels so weird taking a long right there. Would you guys take a long at low of day? Alright. Nah. 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 Look. Hey, the market makers were also anticipating us to enter where our stop loss would be. Stop us out. Boom. Alright, good thing we stayed out of longs. We would have got stopped out. It just feels so sketch taking a long right there. Honestly. Especially how quick it's moving. Like, it'll do these like super fast wicks. Like right there. Fast wick, then popped right back up. But then look, it's making a new low. We're testing this bottom area now. Stab. Come on, MP. 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 ES is dumping. Yeah. Hey, thank you, internet brother. Let's go. Lucid for the win. That was pretty it's kind of moving kind of sketchy today, honestly. A lot of reversals. A lot of wicks and reversals today. A lot of that. Like, kind of just like... Yeah, you see these big wicks and reversals? Right now, it looks like it's trying to make a new low. And just keeps on ripping low. So, right now, at the moment right now, I had a long bias at the very start of the stream. But then we were, like, ripping up. Big push up. Then just like a 120-point dump. Yeah, just like a 100-point dump right there. From here to here. In 10 minutes. And then now it's just dumping hard. And now we're breaking the low today. So... Right now, right at the moment, right now, I have a short bias. Yeah, yesterday lows. Yep. Yeah, we could hit these these 600-700 area, 24,000s, 7-600s. I mean, that's a big move. And now we're getting like a lot of volume coming in. Dog, what is it? Breakouts, breaking retest, bounce trades, and going with the trend, all with like price action and levels. Great job, Kari. Great job locking in. It's almost 50 points right there. That's 48 points. Yeah, we could hit the 750s, honestly. We're only 120 points away. That's not that far. And these are big red candles coming in. Yeah, play some games, PTG. Just relax. Get some rest. Yeah, take your mind off the charts. And yeah, have a good day, man. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Yeah, just take it easy. Yeah, don't dwell about it too much, PTG. $8.15. Yeah. It's heading towards there, yeah. We're not that far away, guys. Joshua. Yeah, imagine it just like rips up like 200 points to the upside. Full TP. We're out. Alicia, just on unemployment claims this morning, but I don't think we have anything for the rest of the day. We have NFP tomorrow. Yeah, we got news 5:30 a.m. tomorrow. Sup, Vlad? Break even. No trades yet. No trades yet today. Just being patient. Damn, this all happened since I started the stream. This big green candle. And just dump. That's a big dump. It's like 250 points. Nah. I am not taking a long right here. No way I'm taking a long right here. I'd rather look for a short at the moment, honestly. Me, personally. Yeah, breaking levels down, staircasing down, making new lows. I would not take a long here. Full board is crazy work. Go for the screenshot. Yo, what's up, everyone? Bang! We just made $1 million day trading the Nasdaq market in my live premium super elite Discord, everyone. Link in my bio. $300 a month. Let's go. We're live streaming Monday through Friday. $300 a month. Join my Discord. Let's go. Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. It's all like the fire emojis. Dub, fire. Join my premium Discord. Link in my bio. They're all chats going crazy. Everyone's eating. Spam W's if you hit that trade. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, do you see this candle? Like, what is this? Do you see how fast it's moving? It's very tricky. Like, very tricky. I don't know. What's up, Jasmine? How you doing? Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Yeah, honestly, guys, this is too fast. I gotta go down to 5 micros. 10 micros would be a little too much at the moment. Yeah, because I mean, that's a 70-point candle right here. Let's go, Jasmine. Yeah. We're just gonna be cautious. We're gonna be cautious today. Very tricky. Yeah, Josh. Crazy. But it could just be a pullback and then fall short again. We have seen a lot of pullbacks recently. Kari, order flow. Order flow is king. Yeah, a lot of traders been using that lately. I gotta learn that. Order flow. Yeah, we have the trading screen right here. We had the YouTube live stream. And then right here, we have order flow now. We got, hey, it's a business expense. We need a third monitor. We're right here. Somewhere. Have like an order flow screen. That'd be kind of sick, actually. Yeah, very tricky market. Very tricky. A lot of reversals. A lot of wicks. Tricky. That's what I'm thinking, Josh. Because I feel like my strategy would do really well with it, honestly. Do you guys, like, how do you learn that? Like, you just go on YouTube. I mean, you can learn anything on YouTube. What am I saying? How to learn volume profile. Order flow. Yeah. Order flow. Well, it makes sense because, guys, the stock market and future, it's literally an auction. You can see the buyers and the sellers, and you can kind of see like who's in control. Nice, Josh. Oh, Cammy Capital. Yeah, I've seen a couple of his videos before. Cam Capital. He's a bigger trader. Yeah, Bookmap. Can you get that on Tradovate, or do you need that on just TradingView? Because I think people, you need that like a premium subscription on TradingView for that. Or can you just do it on here? For free? For free? For free. For free. The order flow king. $40 a month. Bookmap. Right on, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I actually really want to learn that. I have not put in the time to learn it, honestly. I actually really want to learn it. Because I actually really think it would work well with my strategy, honestly. Yeah, look. We're about to try and make a new low right here. Yeah, we're making a new low right here. Yeah. Yeah, Josh, I agree. The gurus, the gurus. Oh yeah, order flow, it makes sense. And I know a lot of big traders use it. And they're like really successful at it. Alright. Enter on the pullbacks, not the breakouts. I'm still looking for shorts. Still have a short bias at the moment. Boom, boom. What's up, Grizz? What's up, man? No trades yet. Yeah. Yeah, Josh. They don't trade ICT. Nice, Kari. Yeah, I actually think, because I do go on losing streaks. I mean, everyone goes on losing streaks, but yeah. I think that would actually really help with it. Kari, when do you start using the order flow? Order flow. Hey, next series. Learning how to use order flow properly with day trading Nasdaq futures. Yeah, because right now I'm kind of just... Yeah, I'm just trading like off what I see, which is... It's been working, but I think an extra confirmation would be with the order flow. Because like, hey, I'm looking for shorts, and I see like a lot of sellers like stepping in, you know? Or that's just extra like confirmation. Fabio, I never heard of him. Cloud9, I sold shoes full time for like almost 4 years. Yeah, I resold shoes. And before that, I worked in an office, like filing papers and stuff. That was like my first job. But then I was also doing like side gigs with painting. Yeah, I actually did side gigs for painting for a little bit. Trying to get a little money. Nice, guys. Damn, why do you guys use order flow, yeah? This is order flow. I'm gonna put on my to-do list, learn order flow. Yeah, a lot of big traders use it. Whoosh. Alright, well, we're breaking new lows. I still like shorts, just waiting on a good entry. I don't want to just FOMO in. Prime, that literally makes no sense. What are you talking about? So much better with propfirms. I've seen his face before, but I never actually watched his videos. Yeah, some of these bigger guys, I've seen their face, but... Because what do they go on, Words of Wisdom podcast? I haven't watched Words of Wisdom in a while. I used to watch his podcast a lot. Nice, Randall. Glad to hear that, brother. Great job, man. Stay green, man. Stay green. Randall, if you're up on the day and you're happy, man, just lock it in. Yeah, because Randall, if you keep on trading, man, and you lose, you're gonna be really upset, man. So if you're green on the day and you're happy, call it a day. I mean, Prime Aquatic, you can't just have like just super easy rules, then everyone's gonna be making a bunch of money, and then the firm is gonna go out of business. It makes no sense. Prime Aquatic, 50% consistency rule is not bad at all. You're basically saying like, oh, let me just make. You're basically saying, oh, let me full port and flip for a payout. 50% consistency is not bad, really. That's actually like the best consistency rule. Dude, imagine they didn't have a consistency rule in the fund and people were just full porting and then flipping for payouts. The firm will go out of business. I'd much rather buy $500 worth of accounts, so 550K accounts, and that's my max loss, and get, I'm what, $7 grand in payouts now off a $500 investment with these accounts. On a live account, you lose out on one trade. $500. Yeah, we're just making new lows right here. Right on, Joshua. Yeah, I'm actually gotta really learn it. I keep saying that, but I actually gotta like do research and actually like learn it. Yeah, I still like shorts, but I'm just not finding a good entry. And I don't really just want to jump in. Yeah, Kari, I heard. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, you have to buy it like a subscription off like another thing. Which, I mean, it's not bad, because, like, a ProfFirm account is, like, what, $100 now for a 50K? So it's, like, what, 30, $50 a month? It's not bad. Well, then Prime Aquatics, then that's you. Then find a firm that does that. Yeah, you don't have to be, like, calling it dumb or anything. Just find a firm that does that, how you trade. Yeah, guys, there's plenty of firms with, like, the way you trade. Like, don't go to, like, just one firm and be like, that's the only option. Adrian, I haven't heard of that person. Because I don't want to FOMO in. Order flow, trading futures. It does look kind of cool with all these numbers on your screen. I don't know. Yeah, that'd be kind of sick. We got like an order flow screen. Trading. Live stream. Oh, my cat is gonna be pissed, guys. My cat gonna be pissed. Because he lays right here. Oh, no, there's actually plenty of space for him. Okay.
Order filled.
I'll try a short here. I'm gonna take a stab short. We're not trying a short. We're taking a stab short. I'm sizing down to 5 micros because it's been moving pretty quick. Pretty quick. And we're already up 12 points. Just entering on a pullback, no fancy strategy, guys. Just falling short. Don't want to enter on a breakout and then get reversed on. Just enter on a pullback short. Overall trend is short at the moment, bearish. So looking for it to hit the lows of the day and potentially break it and make a new low. That'd be nice. Volume profile. Yeah, volume profile, order flow. Book map. 15 points. 20 points. 25 points. 30 points? 30 points. 30. Hey, 40 points. 40 points?
Order filled. Order filled.
Trim 2 micros right there. That was a nice trim. That was a very nice entry. Guys, do you see that entry? We were in no drawdown at all. That was like a banger entry. That was a banger entry. We trimmed 2 micros right there because we've been seeing aggressive pullbacks. So I want to be careful on locking some of the gains. We can see a new low right here. Nice. Champions. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me, champions? We're at 45 points. Alright, new 5-minute right here. To see it make a new low, that'd be nice. We're at 50 points. Damn, imagine we enter with 1 mini like we're normal sizing. Can't be greedy. Can't be greedy. Can't think like that. Alright, nice. We're at the low today. We did make a new low. We did wick it a little bit, but nothing crazy. That is good, though. We're making a new low. I like that. Rip, 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 rip. Go down, go down. Lower our stop. 20 points in profit. Tank, we got tank.
Order filled.
We're going to trim another micro there. We only have 2 micros left. Still good. Still great. We can do some damage, guys, with 2 micros. Stop loss 22 points in profit. Nice. We're at 55 points. $90? Yeah, we did trim 3, so I like my trims, honestly. Those were good trims, in my opinion. And now we can try and let this puppy ride. To the downside. Nice. We did make a new low right there. That's good. Big pullback right there. Guys, look at that entry. We were in no drawdown. That was like peak entry right there. That was literally peak. We do have a new hour and 2 minutes. Pullbacks are normal. We've been seeing pullbacks. It's okay. This trade could still work out. And we trimmed out majority of our positions, so I'm pretty happy with our trims. So 2 micros, nothing crazy. We are over the buffer at the moment. That's pretty good, guys. Oh. That's a big green coming in. Corey, what does the order flow say to you? Like, how can you tell, like, hey, it would exit at 90? Good morning, Nan. Nguyen. Good morning, everybody. Alright. I want to see it now tap the lows again and break a new low. Absorption. Absorption. Huh. There's a lot of fight right here. A lot of fight. Still work out, honestly. Sup, trader? Sup, trader 109? What's up, man? How you doing, man? Yes, sir. We're back over to buffer at the moment. Knock on wood. New 5-minute right here. There's a new hour candle right here. 10 o'clock. Let's just see a nice clean dump to the downside. Make a new low. No, I'm in California, Cone. I went to Nevada last year. What? No. Late 2024. December 2024. Okay. Not liking this pullback. I did like our trims, guys. So we got majority got out the position, so we're just trying to let these 2 micros run, honestly, and make a new low. Worst case, we get stopped out 20 points in profit on these last 2 micros. Nothing crazy. But if it wants to keep ripping down, we can keep ripping down, yeah. I'm trying to be better at like holding my winners and like trying to let it capitalize. Because I mean, these are big sell-offs. These are like big moves to the downside. Like 70, 80 point moves. My only worry is that, yeah, we're kind of overextended at the moment. Because when we started to stream, we had a massive rip and I had a bullish incentive. And then it just dumped. And just started dumping. So my only concern is that we might be overextended right here. But that was a banger short anyways. I'm still happy with the trade. That was a banger short. No drawdown right away.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. Okay, nice trade right there. At our peak, we're up like what? Like 50, 60 points. We locked in at $332. That's still pretty good. We trimmed on the way down with 3 micros. And yeah, so now we're above the buffer. So if we profit on the next trade, we can get another payout, guys. So that was a nice trade, yeah. We were in no drawdown right away. We were instantly in profit. So that was a great entry. See, we're just being patient and not trying to FOMO in. So yeah, guys, if we get thank you guys, thank you. Yeah, if we guys get a profit on our next trade, we can get another payout, guys. We got a payout. Nice, man. Yeah, just chill. Lock it in. Great job, trader. Thank you, Rich. Thank you, Chad. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, guys. Thank you. But yeah, guys. We're now above the buffer. Let's go. We're back at the buffer. Kari, right now I still have a short bias, but like I said, I'm worried that it's like overextended and it's going to make a reversal because we have seen big moves in a direction and it kind of bottoms out or tops out and then it just does a massive reversal. And right now it's kind of forming it, but it's not fully confirmed yet. Right now I still have a short bias. This could be just a pullback in my opinion. So right now I would probably stay cash. I would want to see what it does first, just to be safe. Thank you, Trading Solutions. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, we're trying to. I like our trims on the way down. Maybe a better exit down here, maybe. But I thought it had more room to the downside, and we still had our stop loss. We still got majority out of position, and we had our stop loss 20 points in profit. So I still really like that trade. But guys, if we I mean, we can get a $32 payout, but I mean, $32, guys. What? We have a stake, guys. We have a stake. 32. We have a $26 payout, guys. $25.60. Guys, you guys thinking about should we get a nice Gatorade Zero with like a sandwich with that payout, guys? No, I'm down to take another trade if I see a setup. Yeah, guys. Yeah, next trade, we gotta go for the dessert and surf and turf. That's what I'm saying, guys. If we profit, we can get a nice payout, guys. Cause what, $25? We're break even. Come on. Yeah. No, Josh, you can request anything above 52,000, 2,000. And then you can just have that, if it's like a small payout, you can have it marinate in your wallet until it's above $250. Then you can withdraw it without a fee. So that's how you can do it. So anything above, even $5, you can request a $5 payout, guys. On TakeProfitTrader. That's what I found out. But if you want to withdraw it from your wallet to your bank, just wait until it's over $250. Yeah, and we don't have a steak dinner yet. This is 2 eggs and sourdough. You're right, man. Yeah, we just have a nice 2-egg sourdough sandwich right here. Hey, man, we're still eating. We still have food tonight. We got food. Yeah. Yeah, Josh, TakeProfitTrader. What's up, Bearish? What's up, brother? Haven't seen you in a while, man. Yeah, Tommy, yeah, I just made a $25 lunch today. Man, that's $25. Yeah, Josh, you can take anything over the buffer. Just to your wallet, to your bank. Yeah, I just wait till it's over $250. So, guys, even if you're like staying like, oh, $50 payout, I mean, you can just let it sit in your wallet. That's what I like about TakeProfitTrader. I love their wallet system and their credit bank. You can basically get free accounts, too. It's pretty nice. Yeah, Kari. You can use your wallet to buy accounts. So, like, let's say you got like $100 in payouts. You could buy like a 50K account or a reset, 25K account. It's pretty nice. What's up, No Time? What's up, man? Yeah. Yeah, we could, guys, we could get some ramen tonight. We got a ramen and 2 eggs tonight. $32 after the fees, $25. $25, guys, hey. I don't know. See, this is what I'm worried about. Is that it's overextended, and then it's just making a reversal. So we can maybe catch a reversal to the upside if it still wants to continue. Because right now it's staircasing up pattern, breaking levels up at the moment. And, yeah, it could be overextended right here. Because we had a massive rip then to the downside. That was like 350 points to the downside. So that's a big move. Yeah, Chris Kelly, we're holding this account good. This is the $2 account. We took it from $2, guys, to now $700 in payouts, a little over 700 or something. And now we're above the buffer again. If we make another profit on this next trade, we can make another withdrawal. Yeah, making like breaking levels up, because these are big gaps right here to the upside. Those are like 30, 50 point gaps. Yeah, Tommy, it's nice in the wallet system with TakeProfitTrader. You can just let it sit in your wallet. So, yeah, you can just let it sit there, and then you could buy accounts with it, or you could just wait to transfer to your bank. So it's pretty nice. That's why they have the 3-step payout process, guys, with TakeProfitTrader. But, yeah, the wallet system is pretty nice. So you can have your funds, like, marinate in there for a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, one more trade, guys. One more trade. If I see a good trade, I'll take it. There you go, Bearish. That's the spirit, man. Business expense, Bearish. Business expense. Oh, no. 100%, Tommy. 100%. Yeah, no, and anytime I wore $250, I just withdraw it. 100%. Yeah, some people literally like sit like 5, 10, 20 grand sit in their TakeProfitTrader wallet. I'm like, why? Why not just send it to your bank? There's no fee on it over $250, and you literally get it right away. So it's like, why do you want to risk 10 grand sitting in there? There's some people that do that. I don't know why. I don't know. But if I do get a payouts, like small payouts, like $250, I will still withdraw it to my wallet, to my bank. Instead of like buying my challenges from the thing, because I have a business credit card, and then I can get like points on it, you know what I'm saying? But if you want to like do like less tax hassle, then I would like just use the wallet system. But I like doing it to my bank, and then buying the accounts with my card, because I get like cash back and like points with the Amex. So yeah, those points add up with Amex, guys. 200 points. Ani, what's up, man? That's my illustrative artist. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Timmy, I have the American Express Business Gold. It's pretty nice. I mainly got it to get the bonus. Try and get the bonus, like the Amex points, because you can get like 200,000 points if you spend a certain amount, which is a lot of points. It's like, or is it 100? No, I think it's 175,000 points. It's something like that. It's really high, and that's like $1,200, $1,500 for free. It's pretty nice. Yeah, Ani, it's all good, man. It's how you bounce back from it. Yeah, don't let it discourage you. Only make you stronger and better. Yeah, guys. True champions make a comeback. Let's go. Yeah, Timmy, LLC. Because when you open an LLC, you can get like business credit cards and stuff, which is nice. Champions, are you with me, champions? Are you guys with me? One more trade. One more trade. Yeah, Ani, yeah, you only have to make 1,500. And the 25k account with TakeProfitTrader, they had the best ratio. Or I want to see if it wants to bounce along here and continue long on a pullback, or it's like just goes back down. Yeah, Bearish. Also, the platinum literally is like a $900 annual fee. I think that platinum is like, $900 annual fee. That's really high. I think the platinum, Bearish, is really good if you travel a lot. I think that's the benefits with the platinum. But like, I don't do a whole lot of traveling. Like, I'll go on like a trip maybe like once a year, maybe 2 trips. So it's like, I don't really travel that much. So I'm like, and the business gold is nice. I think you get 4x points on like food and like other stuff too, like some online services. You get 4x points on food too. You get more points, I think, if you book through hotels with them as well. Hey, thank you, Ani. Thank you, man. It means a lot that you guys use the code, man. It means a lot, man. Thank you. Casinator. Yeah, the 1-to-1 ratio is nice. All the other accounts are like, like 1 to 2, which is like, or 2 to 1 or something. Yeah, on 150k you gotta make 9 grand, and you only have 4,500 to work with, so it's like, it's a lot harder, honestly. Or the 25k's, 1,500 to work with, and then you get the $1,500 profit target. So yeah, they're like the easiest to pass. Then the next easiest is the 50k's. I don't know anyone that trades with the 75k account. It's kind of like, same thing with the 100k account. It's kind of like in a weird area. With TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, the 75k account. $4,500 profit target, $2,500. Oh, that's kind of bad. No, that's actually really bad. The 75K account doesn't make sense. 100K, for me, it's always, well, actually, the 100K and 150K are the same, like 1 to 2. Like, the 100K is 3 grand to work with, 3 grand drawdown, and then 6 grand profit target. No, I'd rather get the 50Ks. I don't know who's buying the 75K. I don't know. Yeah, no. Yeah, you can get big payouts with the 150Ks, Ani. You can get some nice payouts. Charmin, yeah, those accounts look nice. What's up, Zach? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Yeah, a lot of people in here, Ani uses 25K accounts too. Yeah, a lot of people. A lot of people use them. They're pretty nice. Yeah, internet. I'm looking at it. I'm like, I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't know. It's kind of in a weird spot. Most people, like, majority of people use the 50Ks with, like, any prop firm or the 25Ks. Then the next will be the 150Ks. But only a few people use, like, the 100Ks. I don't know a lot that use them. Because it's just kind of in a weird area. I don't know. Well, longs are kind of still working out, guys. Longs are still paying right here. Yeah. One day at a time, Zach. Yeah, it's just like one weird one, like, hey, what are you doing here, buddy? Hey, come on. It happens, bearish. I know sometimes after I get payouts too, I'll go on a little losing streak as well. Just how you like manage, what is it? Manage your risk, bearish, and then try and get back, learn from your mistakes. If you did it before, bearish, you could do it again. I love that mindset too. Yes, sir. Amen, Zach. One more trade. One more trade. Patience, young one. Patience. Get some water. I'll be right back. We are live. Damn, Tommy. 17 racks. Guys, is this a false breakout? False breakout back down short? To the downside, NQ. When you get a payout. Maybach music. Yeah, Kari. We've been seeing these just random massive dumps. And that's what we're getting right now, kinda. Hey, what does order flow say? All in short. All in. Huh. Well, I had a bullish incentive right here looking for a reversal, and then that was just a big yeet. I guess we're falling back short. So random. Guys, today is so tricky, honestly. Like, this stopped out a lot of people. If I was in a long, I get stopped out too. Like, it's just so random. Like, that's a 90-point candle right here. Oh, maybe a red to green flip right here, maybe. Red to green flip. We've had some nice trades like that, red to green flip.
Order filled.
We're gonna go for a red to green flip. I haven't done one of these in a while. Where there's just like a massive dump randomly, and then it's just like so random, and then the buyers just step in. Could be definitely a little risky, honestly. Especially after that big red candle, but sometimes the buyers will just step in and claim it right back. So that's where we're going for, a little red to green flip. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Because, I mean, that's like 70, 80 points. Back to the top right there. No. Nice little pop. Can definitely see a tap to the 845, and then if we break that, that's not gap up to the outside. Getting some nice pops, that's good. Champions. 20 points champions. 30 points champions. Alright, see, we're tapping this 845. If we see a nice break, that's another nice gap. That's an extra 30, 40 points move we could see. Stop loss to break even. Risk free, baby. Risk free, risk free.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're going to trim 2 micros right there because we've been seeing aggressive pullbacks, guys. Remember that. Aggressive pullbacks, so we're going to be a little safe. We sized up to 7 micros on this trade because we had a nice banger trade on the first trade, so we're kind of risking our profits. But now this is a guaranteed risk-free trade. We have a nice gap up here to the upside. Gotta watch out for these pullbacks, though. Champions. Where's the music? Champions. We have a payout on the line, champions. Are you with me, champions? We gotta keep going though. We cannot stall here. We gotta continue long. Come on, champions. Champions. We're right here. We're above the buffer, champions. Come on, champions, let's go. Come on, we got a payout on the line. Come on. Are you with me, champions? Rise, my champions. Let's go. We're at 20 points, champions. We are stalling here, though. Not liking that. That's why we trimmed 2 micros right there, because of these pullbacks. Yeah. Dude, that beat drop goes so hard on that song. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, champions. We have a new 5 minute in 10 seconds. You're right, yeah. Hopefully we catch some momentum to the upside, break it up. Red to green flip, guys. Come on. New 5 minute. To the moon! Yeah. Champions, no! No! Risk free, risk free! Can we hold the line, champions? Diamond hands! Diamond hands, can we hold this? Can we hold the line and push up? Oh, champions, no! We lost the battle, champions, but not the war. Well, good thing we trimmed 2 micros right there. Yeah, that was a little red to green flip, but... Damn. 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 Yeah. Well, at least we caught 2 micros we trim. We actually made 100... Even though we got stopped out at break even, guys, we still profited $140 because of those 2 trims. You guys see those trims? No, champions, no. Yeah, we still profited $140 on that trade. That's not bad. But, I mean, $165? Guys, should we take one more trade? Should we take one more trade, guys? 3rd time's a charm? Because right now, 165 times 0.8. I mean, we have $132. That's not bad. What do you guys think? Kokochi, 2 trades, 2 winners. That first trade was a banger. That was a banger trade. Yeah, making new lows right here. $132, guys, is not bad. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we take one more trade or lock it in? Should we lock in this $132 payout or take one more trade? Yeah, if it was 5 accounts, 100% lock it in, because that's $650. But 1 account, I don't know. What do you guys think? Dude, we literally have 1 more and then lock. We're like 50-50 right here. What's up, Painter Die? What's up, brother? Dude, we're literally like 50-50. Risk it for the biscuit? Alright. Alright, guys. Screw it. If we see another good setup, we'll take it, guys. Yeah, if we see one more setup, we'll take it. $132? I mean, yeah. If this was 5 accounts, I'd 100% stop. No questions asked. That's $650 right there. You guys see the power of copy trading? But since it's 1 account, yeah, I mean, yeah, we'll just wait for an A+ good setup, and whatever happens, happens. Yeah, okay, all right. We'll if we see another trade, we'll take it. If not, I mean, we got $132. Not crazy, but you know what I'm saying? It's better than losing. Yeah. Guys, we have a guaranteed what? What do we have guaranteed locked in? I don't know. What's $132? It's kind of a weird area. $132. We have a nice steak, appetizer, creme brulee dinner right now. Do we risk it for a what's $500? Like a PlayStation 5. Yeah, we made a PlayStation 5 the other day. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I don't know. We'll take another trade. This is like an encore. One more trade. One more trade. Then we gotta get the champions music going. Right here, we're kind of forming a bottom area. Just gotta be cautious about that. That's just forming a bottom area and then bouncing off here. But we did see that right here, and guess what? It dropped like what? 170 points. Look, it formed a bottom area right here as well. We were talking about that earlier on stream. And it finally broke it. I was saying it's very sketch taking a long right here, and then it broke. So I would kind of have the same thing right here. I think it'd be very sketch taking a long right here, in my opinion. Even though we took a red to green flip right there, it was a quick scalp. But I don't know, right here, it just seems so sketchy buying at the very low of the day. Previous day low, yeah. We could definitely tap and make a new low, honestly. Nice, Kari. Yeah, let's get your paper trading and getting good practice in, Kari. To the moon! Damn, we gotta get our 5 funded accounts back. Damn. Yeah, we'll get them back. We'll get them back, guys. Don't worry. Do not worry. Alright. Just tap the low of the day. Yeah, making new lows. Nah, no full port here. No way. Straight gambling. Yeah, Steve, yeah. Yeah, Loki we gotta get our funded, we gotta get our 5 funded back. Yeah, imagine ripping 6 minis on 5 funded accounts with above the buffer already. So anything you profit, it's a withdrawal times 5 accounts. That is crazy. Steve, yeah, you can like rip minis and then just flip the rest of the days. You're right. Yeah, evals, I freaking hate the evals, man. I don't like challenges. Low-key gotta be more aggressive with it, especially the 150Ks, because 150K is gonna be too long. Yeah, you can trade one micro, Steve. Good job. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing I don't like as well, is the freaking 5 days. But yeah, you can make it done in like 2 to 3 days and just flip, which is nice. Dude, my brother, he passed 5 top step combines in one day. In the morning, he made the $1,500 on the 50Ks, and then on Asia session, he caught a nice trade again and made $1,500 and passed same day. I was like, what the heck? And yeah, he was trading minis as well. 70% is pretty good, Steve. Yeah, because the evals I want to get done quick. I don't want to be like in them for like 2 weeks. It's just too much. I try to be done within 1 to 2 weeks. Nice, Kari. Other than the pro account resets, everything is good. Rich, my brother trades ES. He used to trade NQ. He's actually kind of the one that got me into NQ. And, the prop firms. But then he switched to ES last year, and he said he likes it way better. Like, way better. But I haven't bothered with ES. Steve, I don't trade Asia, though. I don't trade Asia. I only trade New York. I don't know. I don't know about Asia. Ani, yeah, he actually profited last year. He got more payouts than me last year. Yeah, he got good payouts last year, actually, with Top Step. He only trades with Top Step. But then he has a job, too. So he's not doing trading, like, full-time. Yeah, he trades ES. Anyway, what is it? This is... hey, you guys load up Asia session, and this is all you see? Well, this is ES. 83. I know it moves slower, but it's $50 for one mini per point. Per mini. I don't know. I haven't really traded ES. One more trade, guys. One more trade. Yeah, one word is that it's bottoming out and just making a reversal, but it just seems so sketchy taking along here. Even though I took a red to green flip right there. Because it's just a random dump. Just like 80 points, 90 points. I did in 2024, but then I quickly stopped doing that because I realized how expensive it was. So yeah, I haven't done it in a very long time. I'm not doing them. It's too expensive. $650 for the 50K is really expensive. And then don't get me started with the 150K accounts. The 150K accounts cost $1,500 to reset. That is crazy. $1,500. You can get like 2 or 3 instant funded accounts, lightning funded or right away, end of day accounts for that price. Yeah, so I never reset pro accounts anymore. It's just too expensive. I'd rather go back to the combines. Even though I hate combines. Alright, guys. We just gotta be patient. We gotta look for a clean setup. Yeah, Kenji. Yeah, I'd avoid resetting that, man. Because if you think about it, you're getting a funded... You're paying $650 for a funded account that's trailing drawdown. I don't think it's worth it. Because you can get 6.5 50k challenges for that price. Just for one reset. Yeah, beyond limits. We got some turtle soup microwaving right now. We have a turtle soup dinner right now. We have a guaranteed turtle soup dinner. Which, if we don't see another trade setup, I'll take the $130. But if I see another clean setup, I'll take it. Yeah, Ani, they're way cheaper. Way cheaper. I don't know, it depends on your budget and how many payouts you got. Like, if you got like 30 grand in payouts, yeah, reset it. I mean, even then, it's still expensive. It'll cost you $3,250 to reset 5 accounts. That's a lot of money. Dude, that's 32 challenges you could buy. 32. So you could literally just like, even if you're just full porting the challenges, you could definitely pass them cheaper probably. Alright, we got some green candles coming in right here. 32 challenges, damn. Yeah, because it's $650 to reset them, so 5 is $3,250. Nah. No. Yeah, Kari, it be like that sometimes, man. It gets stopped out and runs in your favor. Dude, that's the most tilting. Yeah, True Trades. $930 is great, man. On a 50k, you're a third of the way there. Yeah, if you guys are like questioning whether you should keep trading or not, especially if you're up on the day, call it a day. Call it a day. Alright, big green coming in here. Dude, look at that. False breakout, guys. Made a new low and just yeeted up. False breakout, guys. Look, literally a false breakout right here. Maybe, Kari. Maybe. We'll see. Bearish, the freaking gas price has gone up. The Honda Fit now, it cost me $45 for a full tank the other day. Which is still cheap, but from being like $35, $40, that's a big increase. That's like 10-20%. But still, I'm not complaining. $45 full tank is still good. It gets good gas mileage. Because, like, yeah, trucks and SUVs here, people are spending like 60, 80. Even if they have a big tank, maybe $100 on a full tank. Crazy. $100. $80. Yeah, SUV, $80 right now. And we're using the cheap gas, too. The Honda Fit does not need premium, guys. It does not need premium gas. BMW, Mercedes? Yeah, you need premium. Yeah, gas prices do go up. Let's go, man. Great job passing that account, man. Good job, man. Yeah, hopefully you can get that pass and see if how the payouts are. Because they announced it on Sunday, the new plan, so people would pass. I know people pass them on Monday. And And if they get 4-5 winning days, they can get a payout next week. So hopefully when we can see by next week how people are getting with the payouts. Peace out, internet brother. Have a good one, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day, man. Vertex, maybe your card or something, but it should be working. But yeah, contact support. Or ask them their Discord, maybe. Yeah, guys. Let's just rip 20 accounts. Copy trading 20 funded accounts with Apex. I mean, I used to do that all the time, actually. I got used to it pretty quick. 20 funded accounts. Yeah, I gotta be cautious, Chris Kelly. Yep. But we've been seeing these just a pullback, then it just rips.
Order filled.
Alright, we'll go for a short right here. Just looking for it to fall right back into the range. Right here.
What we're gonna see here is...
Where's that song? Here it is. Champions! Oh, champions. Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
Champions. We just trimmed 5 right there. I mean, 2 micros. Champions. Are you with me, champions? We have a payout on the line, champions. 100 people are watching. If you want these live streams to keep going, make sure to like, subscribe, and use code casinator at checkout. Appreciate y'all. But we have a payout on the line, champions. We have a payout on the line. Are you with me, champions? Let's see this break right here. We can see another nice gap to the downside. Stop loss to break even. Wow, that was a really quick trade. I was not expecting it to be that quick. Let's go, champions. Come on. 35 points.
Order filled. Order filled.
We'll trim another 2 micros right there. Come on, champions. Let's go. Payout on the line. Let's go. Come on. $600, champions. Let's go. Is that all you got? We're not being greedy. We just wanted another trade, another payout. Let's go. This is the $2 account, guys. Ah.
Order filled.
Champions. Who cares? Hey, we got a $400 payout. Let's go. Look at that scalp, guys. Guys, look at that scalp. And look, it come right back. That was a great exit, honestly. Look at that scalp. Guys, we went from a nice steak dinner to getting 3 steak dinners tonight. Let's go. Oh, man. See, you guys? Look at that. $4.95 times 0.8. We have a $396 payout, guys. Yeah, see? Well, look. That was a very quick scalp, and that was a nice full exit. Look at that. It came right back to our entry, kind of. Yeah. $400, guys. $400. $400 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Yeah, that's a good day. Yeah, 400 bucks. Let's frickin' go, guys. Champions, look, that was a nice full exit. Look, we would have got break even again. Kadrian, first trade was 5 micros, then the next 2 trades were 7 micros because I won on the first trade, so I was kind of risking the profits a little bit. Yeah, that was a banger first trade as well. That was a banger first trade. So, guys, first trade on this funded account, we caught a nice, like, instantly in profit, no drawdown. Where do we enter? I forgot where we entered. We entered around here, I think. No, we entered right here. Guys, we entered literally right here on our first trade. Instantly in profit. Nice, like, 50, 60 point drop. We trimmed on the way down. That was a nice $330 trade. Then we took a red to green flip right here. Got stopped out at break even, but we trimmed 2 micros on the way up. And still profited $140. And then we just straight up shorted right there and instantly made, like, what, 300 bucks? Yeah, guys, that was a steak dinner right there. Okay. Oh, man, I hate these challenges, guys. Oh, man. We gotta get these challenges done. We gotta get some progress. We low-key just gotta rip some minis, honestly. How many micros is 25? Dude, I can't do math. What is it? 150 micros is 3 minis. Whoa, wait, whoa. Hold up now. We forgot to do the group. Dude, we're about to rip on the... No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, yeah, we're on the challenges here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we kind of gotta rip 3 minis, guys, honestly. These challenges are taking too long. Way too long. See, guys, this is a nice thing. If you have a funded account, look, we got a $400 payout locked in. No questions asked. We get it in our wallet tomorrow morning, in our bank. And then we can work on challenges. What's up, Profit Man? What's up, guys? Okay. Yeah, we're live. Yeah, we're good. Damn. Yeah, we're kind of forming a bottom range again. Huh. Yeah, Kari, if I do lose these 150k accounts, yeah, I'm going back to the 50ks. We have not got any momentum with the 150k accounts. So, yeah. Peace out, Rich. Thanks for tuning in as always, brother. I appreciate you. Have a good day, man. Yeah, peace out, everybody. Appreciate y'all. But we can work on some challenges for a little bit. Kari? Because I wanted to trade, like, bigger size, like 10 to 15 micros on the funded. That's why. And we have a little more drawdown. But the 50Ks are... Yeah, if we blow these, we're going back to the 50Ks. Dude, let's see if it wants to bounce here again. No way. Profit, yeah, if you're blowing up quick, maybe, like, yeah, lower your daily loss limit, like, $300 a day. Try that. Definitely have a set daily loss limit, man. It helps a lot in size down. Yeah, Josh, I'm going to minis right now, basically. I got 30 micros per account, so basically 3 minis. I just have all my levels marked out on here. Actually, we can just go right here, honestly. Yeah. Yep. 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 3 minis or nothing. We gotta pass these challenges. I don't want to spend a month in here. Too long. Too long. Yeah, 1K days. Quantower is great. There's literally nothing wrong with it. I just prefer Tradovate. Quantower works great, honestly. So if you prefer Quantower, it's pretty good. Honestly, it's not bad at all. And you can do bracket orders, which is nice. You can do bracket orders. Tradovate, you can't. Alright, we're at the low of day. We're ripping 3 minis. I want to see where this 5-minute closes in 2 seconds.
Order filled.
Alright guys, we're in with 3 minis per account. Well, we bounced here like a few times. Willing to take this risk on the challenges. Just kind of forming a range here, just looking for it to pop right back up. I think this is the most I traded on stream. But challenges, like 150k is like 3 to 5 minis absolute max. 5 minis is still a lot. That's if I'm trying to really get them done quick. Copy trading 20 funded accounts here. No, yeah, Quantower is great, guys. There's literally nothing wrong with it. I used to trade with it a lot. It works great. I like the sound too. It's like nah, this is not degen. It's just kind of being realistic. Like, I'm not trying to spend a month on these challenges trading micros, honestly. I want to get it done quick. 1 to 2 weeks max. 3 minis is not bad, honestly, on 150k for a challenge. Funded account, yes. Challenges, it's not that bad, honestly. Because you got to make 9 grand. You got to make 9 grand. That's a lot of money for a challenge. And that's time you're not getting paid. So... Wait, yeah, worst case, we're at 15 points. Full TP to the high right here. Smack it. We're done. $4,500. No, yeah, I would not do this on a funded account, guys. Definitely not 3 minis. 3 minis is too much on a funded. Even on a 150k account, it's pretty high. You need a big buffer. But challenges, yeah, 150k, 3 minis is not bad. It's really not. That's kind of being conservative, because some people trade, like, rip 5 minis. Yeah, because, yeah, I try to be done with my challenges, too, like, within, like, 1 to 2 weeks max. I do not want to be, yeah, spending... Because when you're spending a month on the challenge, there's nothing wrong with that if you're on a budget and taking it slow. Like, 100%, 30 points. But... What is it? Because when you're working a month on challenges, that's time you're not getting paid. And I'd rather try and get the challenges done quicker and try and get them passed. And then take my time on the funded. That's just my thoughts. You will blow accounts doing that, though, if you trade more aggressive. But it's like, as soon as you get your funded account, then you can take it slow. Trade smaller size. Yeah, 3 to 5 minis usually on a 150k. Yeah, because 150k is just going to take way too long. Alright, nice. Very nice. We're at 40 points. Stop loss to break even. Hey,
Order filled.
Alright, that was a nice 25-point trade. At our peak, we're at 40, but that was an aggressive pullback, and we could just re-enter, so 1,500. To the moon! Yeah, Kari, yeah, challenges? Yeah, I want to get them done quick. Right on, Farah. Liquidity. Alright, we have a new 4 hour, 1 hour, and 3 seconds. Alright, well, if we can get to break even again today, that'd be nice. Because we can make 3 grand more to abide by the consistency rule. We can make 3 grand more to abide by the consistency, guys. Kari, we're going to 4 minis right now. We're gonna risk some profits from the first trade. Yeah, let's just rip 15 minis, guys. That's a great idea. Oh my gosh, 15 minis is crazy work. 15 minis? I think that would be 30 points to pass. But then you only have, like, what, 15 points to work with? So you would basically be needing, like, just one good setup. Right? Isn't it? 30 points. I think it's 30 points. Nah, I am not ripping 15 minis, no. But I'm just saying in general, like some people, they will rip 15 minis on the challenges. I don't know. Yeah, you're either basically gonna pass. Well, if you're gonna actually like full port, like max leverage, you need it on a 1-day pass eval. It doesn't make sense doing it on a 50% consistency challenge. If it's a 1-day pass, then yeah. No, I'm not ripping 15 minis right now. No. All right, buddy. What is this? A gambling stream now? Nah. No way. Yeah, even on challenges, like 150k is like max, I'll go as like 5 minis. And that's if the market's moving pretty slow that day. Because, I mean, 5 minis... Kind of the dream is to have like your own live account with like a big buffer and then like trade 5 minis on the daily. That'd be kind of sick. 5 minis. Yeah. Yeah, who needs 15 minis, guys? We can just rip 30 minis. Yeah. Well, if you think about it, if you're doing it on 5 accounts, that's 75 minis. 75 minis. You know what's crazy, though? Some people, they full port the evals and pass them quick, and then when they get their funded account, they literally do the same thing. They literally just full port them. Like, just full port, try to get a banger trade, and then just flip for payout. That's their strategy. I mean, if it works for them, it works for them, but you will blow a lot of accounts doing that. Hey, brand new funded account. Alright, guys, 5 accounts, 15 minis per account. We're going to rip 75 minis on a brand new funded account. I mean, a 50-point trade would, yeah, that you make 10 grand. Oh, yeah. This is TakeProfitTrader, guys. TakeProfitTrader. These are the 150k accounts. Yeah. $20 minis is crazy. Yeah, that'd be kind of the dream to have like your own like big live personal account and then trade like 5-10 minis. One and done on the day. Because you cannot overtrade on a live account with 10 minis. Oh man, you get wrecked. 50 is crazy. On ES too? Oh no, ES is more. That's crazy. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader is more long term. Once you're in the funded, yes. Once you're in the funded, you want to take it more slow. That's why I realized with TakeProfitTrader, because the daily payouts really add up. I mean, like $400, guys. I mean, we have $400 guaranteed in our bank account. I mean, that's a win. Yeah, that happens. 109. I had that feeling too, but it's just learning to like, hey, just take it slow. Cause like you spend a week on the challenges, so it's like, why not spend a longer on the funded when it matters? Yeah, I get nervous too. Shit, I get nervous too seeing 50 minis. 50 minis. My gosh. I can see 50 micros, 50 minis now. That is insane work. 50 minis. Oh man, that's funny. What is that? 10 points on 50 minis is 10 grand. Yeah, that's 10 grand. Guys, could you stomach being down like 20 points, so you're down 20 grand in a live trade? Dude, the amount of commissions and fees on that would be insane as well. You know how much you're probably paying on like just commissions and fees to execute that order? Probably a lot. Yeah. You have $1 million live account. Alright guys, we're just gonna rip some 50 minis here. Yeah. Yeah, the thing with trading is like it stays the same, the process. It's just like your risk management with the account. $200. Oh man. Yeah, that is scary. Yeah, that if you're trading that much, I don't even want to be trading every day. Once a week, look for a clean setup. You're done. Take the money. Yeah, Alex. They see us on stream trading 5 micros, and they're like, "Hey, buddy, relax." on a ProfFirm account, and they're trading like 50 minis on a live account. Guys, that's the crazy thing about trading. There's like literally whales out there that we don't even know about. You will not know. You could be your neighbor. You know what I'm saying? You don't even know that they trade. You'll never hear from them. They don't even look like they trade. And they're just like a whale. Yeah, that's literally like I don't care money. Like I wipe my ass with $100 bills type money. Jeez, 20 mil. 10 grand per point. 10 points is 100 grand. Win or loss. Yeah, guys, it's not real. It's just a number on a screen. Until it's in your bank account, then it's real, yeah. Well, that's the thing. Like, when people have live accounts, that was happened to me when I had my live account. It was like, I didn't consider, like, real money. It was just like a number on the screen. Like a video game. But it's not. It's like, it's literally real cold hard cash money. So it's like completely different. Maybe, Kari. Maybe. It is forming a range. Yeah, you're bringing our harpoon. Yeah. We gotta hunt the whales, yeah. Yeah, those guys, you don't even know that they exist. They're just silent cold hitters. They just do their thing and get out. That is a pretty cool lifestyle, yeah. Because I like that low-key thing, but then I was like, I'll just document the journey. And actually, I'm glad I did. It's fun. Guys, we should do a live... When we get a lot of payouts, we should do a live account challenge. Start with like a certain balance and try to run it up. That would be pretty sick. Can we turn this 100 grand live account into $1 million in 1 year? Find out after the break. On the next season of turning $100,000 to $1 million. Live. Every trade live. What are we doing here? We're just kind of doing mumbo jumbo right here. Yeah. $5K to $100K? Yeah. Dude, that would be quite a damn journey. Guys, you think we could turn a 5 grand live account into 100 grand? Oh, that would be insane. Dude, I think we might be falling back short here. It's just forming a range. Very interesting, guys. Yeah. I mean, we can capitalize on these ranges. Nice, Waves. That's a good setup. Yeah, 25K counts. That's good, man. I like that. Yeah, a lot of people here trade the 25K accounts on stream here.
Order filled.
Dude, that's so loud. Alright, we're going for a short. Looking for it to fall right back into this range. We're trading 4 minis now. I mean, if we lose on this trade, we'll be break even on the day basically. Yeah, we're about to lose. Oh my gosh. It's so loud when you're trading minis.
Stop filled.
Oh my gosh. Damn, guys. We got wrecked right there. Instantly in drawdown. 1,500? Alright. Oh boy, here we go. Oh shit. Oh boy. I know. We were, as soon as we entered, we were instantly in drawdown. Instantly in drawdown. We pretty much got one shot left in the tank. 4 minis. But if we do lose these, we're definitely going back to the 50Ks. Yeah, when you have like so many accounts and you're copy trading multiple contracts, it gets really loud. Like the more contracts and more accounts, it gets like, it's like order filled. It's so loud. Like when I'm trading the micros in that one account, it's like order filled. Right here, it's like order filled. It's crazy work. All right, we have a new 5-minute right here.
Order filled.
I'll try shorts again. I think we just got in at bad timing. There's no point in having a stop loss. We only have like... The drawdown is our stop loss. So that's why we're not putting a stop right here. If we're in profit, then we can put a stop. To the moon. Break this low. To the downside. Nice gap. Call it a day. Yeah, boss fight. Boss fight. We're in a boss fight here, guys. Can we do it? Damn, Garf. All good, brother. The setbacks are only... The come up is better than the setback. Yep, that is true, Garf. It's all good, man. 10 points. Crypto, I only have a funded account. I don't have a live account, but the funded account's pretty good. I like them. I mean, we got a $400 payout today. Locked in, which is pretty nice. Yeah, their funded accounts are very nice. That's why I like TakeProfitTrader. To the moon! No, to the downside. Yeah, Garf, hopefully we get to 10K, man. That'd be sick. We're at 8,000 subscribers, guys. Like 8,050. Break, 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 break.
Order filled.
Alright, that was a nice 20-point trade. Quick scalps, quick scalps. Wait, dude, these quick scalps add up. These are $1,500 plays. We just need 3 of those. We literally just need 3 of those, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're just looking for a long bounce up to the high right here again. We're just playing ping pong right here. Yeah, you can have you can work on challenges in funded accounts. You can only have 5 funded at a time with TakeProfitTrader. So like, yeah, we can keep taking daily payouts on this one account and work on challenges, which is nice. That's what we're doing right now. 10 points, 10 points, 15 points. To the moon! To the moon! Hello, William. Hello, William. Mr. William! What's up, Mr. William? Is that your proof now? I am not an AI bot, guys. I am not a robot. I am real.
Order filled.
Look at these scalps, guys. Dude, we just made $3,000 off these little scalps.
Order filled.
So stupid. This is so stupid. How to pass 150K challenges, guys. Just rip 4 minis, get some 15-point scalps, and lock it in. Guys, we literally just made 3 racks just shorting right here, selling right here, then buying right here, and then popping right there. Hey, 6-year-old day trader, man. Let's go, Paint or Die. You're starting them young. He's like, I've been day trading since I was 6 years old, buddy. What do you have on me? Dude, imagine we were all trading since we were 6 years old. Paint or Die, you're starting something right with your son, man. Start him young. Hey, he's looking at the charts and stuff on the iPad. Yep. Yeah, we're just playing ping pong right here. No way. I know. Hey, sooner the better, guys. So that's good that we find out about this stuff. The sooner the better. Ugh.
Stop filled.
Ah, damn it. I mean, we're still up $1,000. Well, now it's finally breaking out. Jasmine, damn, your longs are paying out. Yeah, the reason I got out there is because we're playing that ping pong stuff. Paint or Die, yeah. Dude, everyone loves that order filled sound. Oh, man. That's funny. Yeah, like when my family watches the stream, sometimes they'll watch the stream. They were like, at first, they're like, what's that? Who's that guy yelling order filled? Like, what is that sound? Order filled. Dude, everyone around the world knows order filled.
Order filled.
So loud. Sorry if I'm hurting your guys' ears. But we're trying to get some we're trying to get some order fields. Oh yeah, Top Steps is like order filled. Order filled. Whoa, what was that wick? Yeah, it's like a soft voice or something. Dude, I wish we can customize ours. I would put it to like Samuel Jackson, Morgan Freeman. Order filled. Yeah, Tradovate should add that. We should be customizing this stuff. Because you can customize theory. Yeah, yeah.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Damn. Damn, I should have just locked in at $3,000. Damn it. Got greedy there. I got greedy. See what happens when you try to go to the 50%, guys? Should have just locked in at the $3,000. Huh. We were kind of doing some degen trading right there, honestly. Like, I would never do that on a funded account. Yeah, that was some degen shit. But, I mean, we gotta work on these challenges. We can't be spending a month on these. We pretty much got one bullet left. There's a lot of hesitation right here, guys. A lot of hesitation. Shui, like, at the end of the day, or... What are you talking about? Alright, new 5-man, 3 seconds. Order filled. RB trades, funded accounts sometimes, yeah. If I were to do on a funded, but challenges, no. Because challenges, I'm trading them more differently. Well, challenges, I'm trading them like just same setups, but just more size. So I don't journal or track my challenges. Funded, yeah. All right.
Order filled.
Let's go for a long. What's up, Timothy? What's up, Shepard? Not good. No bueno. Doing good, man. We got a $400 payout with TakeProfitTrader, which is nice.
Order filled.
Damn it. Well, guys, yeah, we're going back to the 50Ks. I should have stopped at the damn 3 grand. Damn, I was up 3 grand on these challenges. All good. Yeah, we're going back to the 50Ks. I'm not liking these 150K challenges. I think it's just too big, honestly. But at least we got a $400 payout. That'll pay for the challenges, I guess. Well, that sucks. All good. Hey, we still got a $400 payout, though. So we had a banger day with the challenges. And then, yeah, we're going to go back to the 50Ks. Because these challenges are no bueno. Alright, guys. I'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST for NFP Friday, 9 a.m. PST. Yeah, I'm happy with this account, guys. We got a bunch of payouts with it. This is the $2 account. I'm really happy with it. And what really matters, yeah, we're doing great on the challenge. I mean, not funded. Yeah, we took a nice short to the downside. We were instantly in profit right here. Boom. Small scalp, red to green flip. Got out at break even, but scaled out. Trimmed on the way up. And then we took a nice short right here. And we got $400. We're up $800 on the day. But, yeah, we're going to go back to the 50Ks. I'm not liking these 150Ks, honestly. But, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. And, yeah, so everyone have a blessed, amazing day. Thank you guys, as always. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. And, yeah, have a good one, everyone. Have a great day. And, yeah, peace out.